Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a refreshing Sago Jello Drink, a fun combination of milk, jelly and soft sago pearls. Boil some water. Add half cup washed sago or tapioca pearl. Sago pearls are commonly used in summer drinks. Cook until the pearls turn transparent. Cook sago until fully transparent. Remove from heat and wash well. Now prepare the jelly. In a pan, add 2 cups water. Add 80 grams of strawberry jello powder. Mix well and boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now pour into a bowl. Cool down and keep in the fridge for 30 minutes to set. Next, in a pan, add 2 cups milk. Let it boil. Then add 3 tablespoons sugar. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Cool down and chill in the fridge. Now cut the set jelly into small pieces. Now assemble the drink. In a bowl, add chilled milk. Add 3 tablespoons rose syrup. Mix well. Rose syrup gives a refreshing aroma and taste. Now add cooked sago pearls. Sago provides quick energy. Milk adds calcium and nutrition. Add jelly cubes. Homemade drinks are safer and fresher. Chill all ingredients before assembling. Mix well and serve chilled. Layered drinks look beautiful and attractive. You can control sugar as per taste. Jelly adds color and fun texture to dessert. Your colorful Sago Jello drink is ready. Serve chilled and enjoy this refreshing treat. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more summer recipes.